Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the data transfer support test in the POCO F3 GT device by using the default charging cable. Yes friends, this is a question which I am getting from plenty of subscribers asking me to test the data transfer in the POCO F3 GT by using the default cable connected to the laptop or any kind of desktop. As you can see, these are the comments which I am getting. So please make a video on the file transfer through the USB Type-C cable given in the box. This is what the given in the box, L-type, as you can see exactly. And it doesn't work on my POCO F3 GT. So now I'll try to explain. Let's investigate. What is the problem? Is it the true or not? So let's see. What are the steps you should take whether to make it work in the POCO F3 GT? That is what this video is about. I'll try to explain each and every detail. So right now I'm trying to use a default cable only which came with the box. Let's try. So every time I get this kind of different weird kind of problems, I'll definitely try to investigate. First I'll try to investigate and then I'll try to make a video friends on that explaining how to solve the problem and how to make it successful. Let me try to connect this cable right now to the laptop. So as soon as I connect the laptop, let me try to close this game as well. So I'll try to keep on the on screen. So as soon as I connect the cable, so right now it's connected and it's charging, as you can see. In my laptop you can see the symbol as well, POCO F3 GT has come here, as you can see exactly. So in the phone, now you need to select the option which is called the file transfer. As you can see, try to select this option. So click on this one. As soon as you click on the option, then now you can actually easily access this kind of files. Try to click on the POCO F3 GT now. As you can see friends, now internal storage, as you can see, now I am able to access from the POCO F3 GT without any kind of problem. This is the exact internal storage of my POCO F3 GT only, as you can see. So in this way you'll be able to access. I think most of the people, I think maybe they are forgetting to turn on this kind of option. So I'll try to explain you friends. So right now it's completely disconnected, as you can see. So once you connect the cable, so first thing you should do is not to click. Don't click here. Don't click on this laptop, because if you click on the laptop, what happens? Empty folder you will get. So it won't open anything. As you can see friends, empty. The folder is empty completely. You'll get the empty folder. Instead of that, try to click in the phone. Try to select the option which is called the file transfer. So once you click the file transfer, now you'll be able to access the files. So in this way you'll be able to access the files, as you can see friends, absolutely. So right now it's working from the POCO F3 GT without any kind of issues. So now it's time to do the data transfer rate test. Let me try to transfer the data from the phone to the laptop. Let's see whether it's possible or not, because that is what the comments I'm getting, like data transfer is not possible. Let me try to open the POCO F3 GT. I did open the POCO F3 GT and I'm going to copy this one file which is of 838 MB. Let me try to copy. I'm trying to copy, as you can see. These are the files I'm trying to copy from the phone storage. Let me try to quickly show you the exact details. As you can see friends, POCO F3 GT internal storage only I'm trying to copy from the internal storage. So right now I'm trying to copy in the one of the folder just for the sample demonstration purpose. As you can see, right now it's getting copied from the phone to the laptop without any kind of issues. As you can see, from the phone which I'm connected from the using the yellow cable only, completely connected. And from the phone it's copying to the laptop without any kind of issues. This is a final test which I thought of just showing you data transfer rate. So as you can see, using the default cable, L cable only, as you can see exactly. So finally friends, in this way you'll be able to copy the files from the phone to the laptop and laptop to the phone without any problem using this L-shaped cable only, default cable. So try to select always the option as file transfer whenever you get that message. Only then it will be able to work out. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.